What's going on, you guys? Larry the Ghost here, back again with another tutorial. So today I received a request on my Instagram DM asking me to do a Billie Eilish breakdown, which if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. My Instagram handle is @LarryTheGhost. Now obviously I've heard the name Billie Eilish before, but prior to making this video I was not too familiar with her music, so I decided to go ahead and check her stuff out, and one of my favorite music by her is this song right here called Everything I Wanted. And yeah, basically we're just gonna break this down track by track. Alright, so the BPM is 120. We're in D major. Alright, so I'm gonna break down the first sound. That's what the first pad sounds like. I'm using Aurora over Iceland preset, and I have it set to soft dark setting over here. And here's the chord progression that I'm playing. Next, I layered the pad sound with this piano sound. I'm using the grand piano preset. As you can see, I have this reverb turned up quite a bit. Also, I'm using the tape cassette 2 plugin. Here are my settings. Together, this is what it sounds like. Also, as you can see, for piano, I added some notes in between. Make it sound like the original. After that, I had this kick. Super basic 4 on the floor pattern. Typical house music pattern. Alright, so that's pretty much the intro. After that, we had the claps coming in. Here's the pattern, the clap pattern. I'm using the Bedroom Clap 1 sample off of the new Bedroom drum kit that I'm currently working on. If you want to use all the drum samples that I used in this video, please email me at beatsforlarry@gmail.com, and I'll provide you with a free drum kit so that you'll be able to follow along with this tutorial. So after that, when the clap comes in, I layered it with another pad sound. This pad sound, I'm playing slightly different notes. Here are the chord progressions that I'm playing. And I'm using the Sun Glitters pad preset. And it's set to smooth lead setting. Alright, after that, I layered it with the bass sound over here. I'm using the heavy sub bass preset. And it's set to the default preset setting. And here are the notes that I'm playing. Let me solo that for you so you know what it sounds like by itself. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole song. And I actually added this extra synth down here. This arpeggiator pattern, I thought it sounded pretty good with the rest of the track. This is not part of the original track from Billie Eilish, but I decided to just throw it in there because I thought it sounded pretty good. I basically copy and pasted the pattern from my second pad sound, and I pasted it over here on a new track. I'm using the 70s synth art preset, and it's set to the movement setting. Alright, so there you have it. That's how I made Billie Eilish Everything I Wanted on GarageBand iOS. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop new videos. I'm going to be dropping new tutorial videos daily. Also, I live stream on YouTube every Wednesday and Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, so make sure to tune in. And yeah, that's going to be it for me for today. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.